Hello, everyone. Today I am telling you about my plan A, which is actually pretty simple because my plan A is to do exactly what God has called me to do through His ways and not mine, and by His perfect timing and not mine. And what that is exactly is, well, first, God called me to be a midwife, and so I became one. To help women and their families the way they deserve in this most magical perinatal period they go through. And as well, God called me to be a writer, to share my testimony, to share my story, my journey, and allow other people to do the same on this platform I created called Tashmness.com. And now I strongly feel God calling me to be a missionary, which is something new, but apparently as well, not really, which I'll explain another time. And when I say I strongly feel, I mean a gentle, soft, peaceful strength that brought me to crying for 5 days without being able to stop, which brought me to my knees doing a fasting and prayer, which finishes today, and brought me to reaching out to lovely people that God has placed around me and receiving from them and as well other lovely people around me precious lights of confirmation guiding me to that call. So yes, my plan A is to be a midwife, writer, and missionary. And I am ready. I am ready. I am ready to go. I am ready to share. I am ready to ask for your help. And that last one was a little bit hard for me to get there, but I got here. I'm here. I'm ready to ask for your help. To ask you, help me, help. Got it? Help me, help. And how you can do that, I will explain in another video where I will also explain where I will be going, what I will be doing, and which amazing organization I will be going with. So continue to stick with me, and I guess I see you next time. Ciao.